Hi Morphe babes, it is Suzy here, Glamour by Suzy. I am at the Morphe studio and I am so excited because I just finished filming with the Morphe x Jaclyn Volume 2 palette. I went from a daytime to a nighttime look, so if you would like to see, please like, subscribe, and make sure to stay tuned. Let's just dive into the itty bitty details. So this is the front of the palette. It is so chic. We have the silver writing Jaclyn Hill. It is the volume 2. This palette screams that you will be living your best life. We have so many bright colors, so many gorgeous shades, and I can do endless looks. You also have your nice shades of neutrals up top that will allow you to get your day-to-day makeup looks, but when it comes to nighttime, honey, we're gonna go down right here and get a little smoky. Ready? Let's do this. So Living My Best was the first one that just caught my attention, which is like this gorgeous red fiery shade that I'm gonna implement in every single look up until 2021. I'm just being real. So here is what it looks like. Are these edible? Can I eat them? They're bomb. The next shade is Ride or Diamonds, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous shimmer shade. You know we love our diamonds, honey. So we're gonna swatch that right next to Living My Best. You guys can see how gorgeous the light picks up on this shadow. It's gonna look even better on your eyes. The next shade that just gave it away was Homebody. I know my girl's a homebody. Got you. So ready? I'm not even gonna look at it because I know it's bomb. Lastly, the fourth shade that just got to me was Empowered. She always talks about empowerment, lifting everyone up, complimenting one another, and making sure that every woman, every man, any person feels empowered. And this shade just speaks for itself. When this is on my eyelids, I will be stopped everywhere. I just feel it. Ready, guys? As you guys can see, I have my entire base pretty much covered. All that's left is my eyes. So first things first, we're gonna pick up the P. Louise base. This is in the shade Rumor 2. This is actually my favorite base, period. I am covering my entire eyelid with this all the way to my inner corner because we don't play when it comes to the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. We are gonna be starting off with a daytime look. So the first shade that I'm picking up is called Perfectionist. Perfectionist is the lightest brown from the entire palette, which allows this to be the perfect transitioning shade. I love a nice defined crease no matter what look I'm going for. So I will repeat this step twice, and then I'm gonna dust off my brush. I have a paper towel right in front of me, and I'm gonna simply just diffuse all of this shadow outward so it can look even more blown out. For this next step, you're gonna be needing a nice tapered brush. The one I suggest is the M454. We're gonna be picking up Comfort Zone, which is a nice, more deeper brown shade, and I am simply focusing this right into my crease. You are going to pack on a little bit of the Comfort Zone on the outer corner of the eye. And another reason why I love this brush, because it allows you to pack on and to blend. Two birds, one stone. Picking up Homebody because I swore that this will be in my crease no matter where I'm going. I am gonna be applying that with a JS8 brush. Oh! Stop. I can't. We're done. Now to tie in my lower lash line with the shades we put onto our crease, I'm going to be picking up an M322 and simply just dusting a very light-handed, very light swatch of this shade called Comfort Zone onto the outer corner of my lower lash line, just like so. So we're gonna take the shade Ride or Diamonds, which is this gorgeous champagne shimmer tone. I'm gonna use my finger and simply apply this onto my Next, all you need to do is simply just whisk the area where you apply the shimmer. You don't even need to do too much. I didn't even add anything. Just take the brush that we used to apply the other shades and just go back and forth to make this look seamless. With any daytime appropriate look, I always have to have some brightness on my inner corner right here. And we have this gorgeous shade called Certified. I wanna see if it's inner corner certified, okay? It's gotta give me that brightness. Are we ready? Take a found my inner corner sole. So all I'm gonna do right now to just finish off this easy daytime look is simply curl my lashes. Give your lashes about 1 to 2 squeezes. There we go. So for mascara, I am simply gonna be coating my lashes with the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. This just really amplifies your lashes and gives you the look of falsies. You don't even need to do falsies. So that concludes our daytime eye look, but we are gonna finish this off with a simple and neutral lippy. Taking Love Bite from Morphe, I'm gonna simply line my lips. Perfect fit for Love Bite is the cream lipstick in the shade Forevs. It has that gorgeous neutral tone, but it gives you color, so you don't look pale, you don't look washed out, and it is so comfortable to wear throughout the day. So this completes our daytime look. I was so impressed with the way the shadows worked together, especially. So to transition into the nighttime look, I am feeling the oranges, the reds. I just want to do a fiery, bombshell, bossy, sexy, sultry, smoky eye. I am gonna pick up the shade called Feelin' Myself. I'm gonna be applying this over top of the shimmer and that crease that we previously had built. Next, we're gonna pick up the shade My Man, and I am going to repeat the same exact motion as we did with Feelin' Myself. Picking up the JS9 brush, I'm gonna be applying the shade Hard On, mainly on the tip of the brush. You guys can notice how it's tapered and it fits perfectly into the socket of my crease. This is like that strawberry pop, reddish, just gorgeous bright shade, and this will act as another transitioning color. I am not gonna diffuse this outward at all. I am simply focusing this only in my crease. I'm so excited for this shade. I am picking up Livin' My Best, because that is what I aim to do in 2020. This is a Morphe M514 brush, which is the perfect essential brush for this step, because I want to take this color and apply. Oh my God. Bomb. Okay, so before I cry, because of how good this shade is, I'm gonna be just simply applying this. But don't be afraid to come down right here. This is a smoky eye, so we are going to want to build darkness in the front area versus just the outer area. Picking up that same JS9, I'm gonna be tapping the shade Crazy on the outer corner of my eye, and with whatever is left on my brush, I will bring this right into my crease. Next, I'm gonna be picking up the shade Empowered, which is this gorgeous berry shimmer shade. I'm gonna be simply applying this all over my lid. Again, I'm using my ring finger. Do you guys see how gorgeous that comes off? You guys can tell that it is not a lot of work going from a daytime look to a nighttime look, especially when the shadows are so easy to work with and just blendable. Moving on to our lower lash line, I want this lower lash line to be so smoked out that you feel the heat. Picking up the shade Living My Best, I'm gonna be applying this all over my lower lash line and buffing this downward. Just with one shade, you can tell the difference, and my right side is yelling sexy, sassy, sultry, smoky, bossy, and this one, we're getting there. Just to incorporate the orange shades that we also have in our crease, I'm gonna mix the shade called My Man and Hard On. With the same brush, I'm just swiping this over my lower lash line so it ties in with the orange in our crease. Next, taking the shade Crazy, which we have on the outer corner of our eyes, I'm gonna be taking an M431 and also applying this on my lower lash line. You want this darkness to be there just so it ties in with the outer corner of our lid. Next, taking an M423, which is just a standard flat shading brush. I'm gonna use the black in the palette, which is called Temptress. I'm gonna be applying this right at the root of my lower lashes. Next, with the M514, just take that shade Livin' My Best and sweep it one last time, and you are done with the lower lash line. Taking the same M423 brush, I'm simply drawing a shadow liner. This will just be for the sake of my lashes, so my lashes have something to sit on. Picking up the JS13 in the same certified shade that we applied in our inner corner, I'm gonna repeat the same exact step, but this time there's gonna be a little twist to it. On top of the certified shade, I'm gonna add I'm In It, which is like the neighbor to certified. Taking the JH41 brush, I'm simply gonna be carving out my brow bone with the same primer that we use to prime our lids. This will act as a brow bone highlight. We do have enough shimmer on our eyelids and inner corner, which is why I'm gonna keep my brow bone highlight kind of mattified and just toned down. So I went ahead and applied the Irresistible Lash from Morphe's Premium Collection, and I'm also using the Morphe applicator to just secure the lashes and merge them with mine. Lastly, to finish off my nighttime look, I want to add a nice nude gloss. This is in the shade Flower Crown. So this is gonna be that perfect contrast with the smoky eye, because with any smoky eye, I live for a nice glossy nude look. I hope you guys enjoyed my transition from day to night. This was so impressively easy to work with, and I really loved how the shades worked together. Most importantly, the blend was out of this world. You can pick this baby up at Morphe stores or online at morphe.com. If you guys end up recreating any of the looks we showed you here today, or even creating your own inspired glam using the Volume 2 palette, please make sure to tag us using hashtag MorpheBabe so we can see, like, share, and just fall in love with your glam. If you guys enjoyed your time here with me, please feel free to give me a follow. My Instagram handle will be down below. It is just glamour_by_Suzy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, Morphe babes.